In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a chart template. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or simply starting fresh with a new design, knowing how to remove unnecessary templates can make your workflow more efficient. First, let's focus on your chart screen. You'll likely find yourself looking at a graphical interface with a chart you've created, or perhaps one that's pre-existing. Our first point of action is to use your computer's right-click function. By positioning your cursor directly over the chart you wish to modify, perform a right-click. This action is crucial as it serves as the gateway to bringing up additional options and menus specific to the chart you're dealing with. Once you've right-clicked on the chart, a context menu will appear. Among the various options, you will want to locate and select the option that says Templates. This section is dedicated to handling all the template-related features associated with your chart. Accessing this menu brings you deeper into the customization settings. Now that you have the Templates menu open, your next task is to identify the option labeled Remove Template. Click on this option. Doing so will prompt your system to initiate the removal process for the existing template. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you select the correct template you intend to remove, especially if you have multiple ones saved in your library. Removing the wrong template can be inconvenient, so a bit of caution goes a long way. Upon selecting Remove Template, the system may confirm the removal, either through a pop-up window or a notification. Confirm the action if prompted. The template should now be permanently removed from your chart, allowing you additional freedom to either create a new template or rely on the default settings for future charts. Removing unnecessary templates is an excellent way to declutter your digital environment, and it also helps in maintaining a streamlined process for creating future charts. Remember that managing your templates efficiently can not only improve your productivity, but also inspire you to try new designs and layouts without the constraints of old templates. That's all there is to it, really. With a few easy clicks, you can remove any redundant or outdated templates and breathe new life into your workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you organize and optimize your charting templates. If you have any more questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Until next time, happy charting!